Over the last few decades, technology innovations have completely transformed a number of industries. However, both the housing and transportation sectors have remained stagnant, with only small improvements in the fundamental way products are built. Innovative Composites International is changing that. ICI is applying state-of-the-art composite technologies originally developed in the ultra-competitive, ever-evolving automotive industry to create innovative, affordable products that have the potential to revolutionize these multi-billion-dollar markets. The core of ICI's products is the Structure-Lite panel. The panel consists of a revolutionary composite skin where strands of structural fibers, such as fiberglass, Kevlar, or aramid, are bonded to a thermoplastic carrier and put on both sides of a core material. The result? An unmatched strength-to-weight ratio, allowing composite Structure-Lite panels to replace steel, concrete, wood, and other structural materials. It's durable, recyclable, formable, very cost-effective to manufacture, and has virtually unlimited applications. A massive market which is definitely in need of change and will benefit greatly from the versatility of ICI's patented panel system is affordable housing. The global stats are staggering. According to the UN Habitat, the annual demand for affordable housing is 5 million units. Furthermore, figures published by the Displacement Monitoring Center show that 42 million people were displaced by natural disasters in 2010. What is needed is an affordable quality solution that can be quickly built on a large scale. ICI has engineered, designed, and patented exactly that. A housing system that is significantly cheaper than conventional housing, provides attributes that are unheard of in the industry, and can be erected very quickly with unskilled labor. The housing market has seen little change over the last century. There have been a few improvements in structural materials, but overall the frame-based design and components to create the modern house are old, expensive, and time-consuming. Costs of both materials and the skilled labor required to assemble a house have limited the usage of these houses in third-world countries or disaster areas. The modular design of ICI's housing system allows for easy shipment of the North American-made panels and offers unlimited flexibility for floor plans and pre-installed finishes. This design also enables a full house to be assembled in just 1 to 2 days.
This house, it's very typical of a design that we're coming up with, which incorporates our composite modular panel type of construction for homes. It's unique in the industry, it's different than anything else that's been done in the past, and it tries to incorporate the use of composite materials with conventional framing techniques as well as new modular finishing techniques, all in the same common panel. This particular unit right here has a wall panel on the front that's 22 feet long and 8 feet tall. That panel itself, totally finished, ready for installation, weighs approximately 360 pounds. So because of that large panel size and a relatively lightweight, no special equipment is required to hoist it on a job site. Manual labor is capable of picking the panel up, put it in a position, and attaching it to the foundation attachments. So it makes the entire thing much lighter on the assembly site, as well as much lighter for shipping and transit to get to the job site. We just put together half of this unit here in a matter of 25 minutes with just a half dozen guys working in unison. A skilled, trained group can assemble the entire house easily within 4 hours. It's impervious to any types of moisture, insects, and it handles impacts from projectiles very well. Our skin material is engineered to be impact resistant to the Dade County impact requirements.
The transportation industry is a perfect example of an industry where the same manufacturing techniques have been used for over 50 years. Tractor trailers and containers utilizing ICI Structure-Lite panels are the perfect replacement for the conventional heavy, inefficient units on the road today.
Tractors and trailers account for almost 66% of the goods transported in North America, clearly a significant sized industry. Fuel is by far the largest cost. 22 billion gallons of fuel are consumed each year in this industry, and the prices have only been going up. The industry in terms of design and engineering has basically been stagnant for the last 30 years. The ability to take weight out of our trailers and tractors is significant because what it does is it improves upon our fuel consumption and also the ability to carry more freight. To us, that translates into somewhere in the neighborhood of 10 to 15% increase in the ability to carry more freight, which is more revenue, or a significant savings in our fuel consumption. If we can have an environmental, recyclable product like ICIs, it accomplishes what we should be doing as conscientious carriers anyway.
The moving and storage container industry is growing constantly, with commercial and personal usage increasing at a fast pace. ICI has created an easy-to-assemble, foldable, and stackable container that's over 50% lighter than traditional steel models.
The nice part is that our containers that can be up to 16 foot long, support 10,000 pounds, and be stacked 3 tall, are very lightweight, approximately half or less the weight of our competition in the industry, and they're just as strong, just as durable, and in many cases more durable because we use no materials that can corrode. We even make smaller units that are only 8 feet long that one person can assemble on the site in less than 3.5 minutes.
ICI took a unique approach to penetrating lucrative new markets by working directly with established market leaders such as Barclays Gedai Group, an international development company. By utilizing the sales channels of their partners, ICI can roll out its products faster and more effectively than trying to establish a footing in new areas on its own. Wayne Gurl, president of Barclays, recognized the advantages of ICI's product and how it will shape the housing market when he approached ICI about a partnership.
Well, we're international developers. We've operated probably in 15, 20 different countries. We, talk to the government, see what their needs are. ICI has got a good wall system that, again, meets the codes and the needs in these developing countries. In all these countries, we lack the resources to build conventional type housings, concrete, wood, and like that. So with this product in engineering, it gives us the ability to build production in houses on a large scale. There's such a need for millions and millions of these homes. There's different countries that we are negotiating on constantly. The product that they have is a product that's going to be around for 100 years.
A key ideology going into every single ICI product is environmental responsibility. Today, ICI incorporates recycled materials in its panels and makes products for the transportation and housing markets that are completely recyclable. But the vision doesn't stop there. Millions of tons of recycled PET, pop and water bottles end up in landfills every year, creating a huge and costly problem for municipalities. ICI has the technology to take this abundant, free, raw material and turn it into low-cost houses, lightweight trailers, and containers.
Our vision down the road is to completely utilize recycled materials. Shredded pop bottles going in one end of the line and low-cost composite panels coming out the other end.
ICI is a company led by a team of commercialization experts that have developed a range of game-changing products for the transportation and housing markets. By partnering with industry leaders in its target markets, ICI accelerates the rollout of its products and has proven this model by rapidly growing sales. And the future is exciting. ICI has only scratched the surface in terms of applications for its core materials. Add to that the ability to drastically reduce costs by utilizing recycled materials, and you have a company that is poised for rapid, sustainable growth.
The feedback is coming very, very loud and clear. We do have a unique product, and we're going to sell around the world.
Listed on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol IC, Innovative Composites International continuously proves that using a simple formula, a better product at a better price, can achieve tangible, sustainable success.